Hey guys, today we have my Halloween squishy collection. These are from Purple Ladybug and they're so kawaii and squishy. This one is from Punimaru, and if you're wondering what it is, it's actually a Halloween poo squishy. It's a thing. It smells like a creamsicle. Got this little tag. And it's super squishy. These are the Halloween party squishies from Nick. Kitty Mummy. I have these bonbon ones from Pepper Cha Cha. Here's the bat one. This one is scented like blueberry and it's bonbon with the baby pumpkin. It's like a piece of bread. This is a little ghost one from Mother Garden. It even says Happy Halloween on the back. This is from Bunny's Cafe and it's a Happy Halloween. It says fabulous. Lastly, I have these Halloween cuties from Cutie Creative. And they're like a bun as well.